Hello students, now look at the 8th problem. The reading TA and TB of two Celsius thermometers A and B agree at the ice point, that is 0 degree centigrade, and at steam point, that is 100 degrees centigrade, and are related by the equation TA is equal to L plus mTB plus nTB square. Between these 2 points R, M, N are constants. When both are immersed in an oil bath, A indicates 55 degrees centigrade and B indicates 50 degrees centigrade. Determine the values of L, M and N and also find the reading on A if B reads 25 degrees centigrade. So there are two thermometers A and B. Okay, the temperature measured is called as TA and by B it is called TB. They both agree at 0 degree centigrade as well as 100 degree centigrade, that is ice point and steam point. They are same values. And the relationship what they have is TA is equal to small l plus mTB plus nTB square. This is a relationship. Okay, and where A and B, this R, M and N are constants. Now, when both of them are thermometers are inserted in oil bath, A indicates 55 degrees and B indicates 50 degrees centigrade. So there is some difference. So now the question is asking you find out the value of small l, m and n and also find the value of A if the B reads 25 degrees centigrade. So it is all the things are given here only. Only you have to use that relationship and substitute values at ice point and steam point and find out the values of the constants L, M and N. So as the two thermometers A and B agree at the ice point and steam point, we have the relationship TA is equal to L plus mTB plus nTB square. Now substituting for ice point, TA is 0 is equal to L plus m into 0, TB also becomes 0, plus n into 0 square, because TB again is 0 here. So at ice point TA is also 0, TB is also 0. So I substitute value of in this equation 0 for TA, 0 for TB. We get 0 is equal to L plus 0 plus 0. Therefore L is 0. So we have found out value of L. Now at steam point, the 100 is equal to L plus m into 100 plus n into 100 square. Again it is given at steam point and ice point, both the thermometers show the same reading. So ice point it is 0, A and B both are 0, and steam point TA and TB are also 0. So substituting this value, we got 100 is equal to L plus in bracket m into 100 bracket closed plus in bracket n into 100 square. So simplifying this, we get 100 is equal to L plus 100m plus 10,000 n. To simplify this, I will divide it by 100 this equation throughout. So it becomes 1 is equal to L, the value is 0, so I will put 0 plus m plus 100 n. So I can write the relationship as m is equal to 1 minus 100 n. So this is relation 2. Now it is given when the A indicates 55 degrees centigrade, B indicates 50 degrees centigrade. Hence 55 is equal to L, that is 0, plus 50m plus 50 square into n. That is the same relationship. TA is equal to L plus mTB plus nTB square. So we get this as, now I will divide this again by 5. 5 is common, so 55 divided by 5 is 11 is equal to 10m plus 500 n, because this 50 square is 2500 divided by 500 is 500 n. So substituting for m in the above equation, what you get? M is 1 minus 100 into n. So 11 is equal to 10 into m. So 10 into 1 minus 100 into n, bracket closed, plus 500 into n. Simplifying this, we will get 10 minus 10,000 n, sorry, it is 1000 n plus 500 n. So 11 minus 10 is equal to minus 500 n, or 1 is equal to minus 500 n, or n is equal to 1 minus minus 1 divided by 500. So this is the value of n. So we have found out the value of L is equal to 0, m is equal to 1 minus 100 into n, and n is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 500. So from equation 2, m is equal to 1 minus 100 n. So I will substitute the value of n here is equal to 1 plus, because minus it becomes plus, 100 divided by 500 is equal to 600 divided by 500, that is 6 by 5 value of m. So now we have the value of L independently, we have value of m also now independently, that is 6 by 5, and n also we have got, that is minus 1 by 500. So substituting these three values in the equation, when the temperature B reaches 25 degrees centigrade, so I'll put the value of TB as 25. I have to find out now TA. Okay, so TA is equal to L plus mTB plus nTB square. So substituting value of L is equal to 0 plus m is 6 by 5 into TB, that is 25 degrees centigrade, bracket closed, plus nTB square. N is minus 1 by 500 and TB is 25. So 25 square. So this becomes 30 minus 1.25. The temperature A becomes 28.25 degrees centigrade. So this is how you solve the problem. Because the relationship is given here, TA is equal to L plus mTB plus nTB square. In this relationship, they also say that the temperatures, thermometers A and B both agree at ice point and steam point. So when they both agree means both are 0 and 100 at ice point as well as steam point respectively. So substituting this, we get the value of L, then we find the value of m, we find value of n. But because m is in terms of n, again I will simplify after finding out n, and I will get the value of m, that I got as 6.5, 6 divided by 5, L I got 0, and n I got as minus 1 by 500. So substituting these three values in the relationship, again TA is equal to L plus mTB plus nTB square, we get the value for TA is 28.75. When the temperature B in the thermometer B represents 25 degrees, A will read 28.75 degrees centigrade. Okay, thank you.